What's up, guys? Jason Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it's the 7th of January. Teleworking today, and I'm on lunch. So my neighbor actually helped me, she called and she wanted me to come down and see if I could help her out with the her driveway really quick. So I'm just gonna go down and make 3 or 4 passes and we'll be done. But last night when I left Reese's driveway, when I came home here, I lost the entire snowshoe to the snowplow. I looked down and I'm like, what in the world happened? So I went back and when I reviewed all the video, I found that I lost it somewhere on his property. So I walked back today, and as soon as I got back to his back circle, I saw it. It was sticking. This part was the main snowshoe was sticking out of the snow, and I took my metal detector, and Reese he helped me. We found all the pieces. So first thing we gotta do, we gotta put this back on the snowplow. So we'll get the tractor out here and we'll go ahead and raise it up and put her back in place. All right, guys, as we go through our little path we have here into the driveway, we still have a lot of snow to move. Mainly the stuff in front of the garage, over here, this whole area, the cars. I got Maggie's car, and I got the truck. So those have to be uncovered, and I got to get some of the snow out of here. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to start with the cars, get everything down, and might just have to bring the tractor in here with a bucket and just scoop it in the bucket and just haul it into a pile over that way. I think that might just be the best course of action. So I got my brush here. Let's start grabbing it off the roof of the car here and working our way around it. All right, guys, we're all uncovered. We're gonna get the keys and we're gonna try to start it up and move it. Get this windshield thing off of it too. All right, fired right up. All right, this windshield thing worked out really well. Everything nice and clear. Got to get the rest of this snow off there. All right, Cheryl Lynn's gonna attempt to drive her out of here. We have the front uncovered. See how she does. Brand new tires. Oh yeah, no problem. No problem. All right, guys, things are going good. We got this whole area, so we can pull Maggie's car back in. I've got to do a little more cleanup right here by the trash cans because it's garbage night. Sherilyn is now uncovering the truck. But look, just look at that snow. There's a lot of snow there. A lot of snow. Wow. Yeah, once we get the truck uncovered, we'll go ahead and start pulling the snow out of here. Guess I'll fire it up. Let her idle for a little while. There we go. Fire right up. All right, guys, time has come. Truck is coming out. No four-wheel drive, no nothing. Kick my feet for a second here. All right, guys, here we go. All right, you gotta use four-wheel drive. Four-wheel high. Am I spinning in the front? Am I spinning in the front? Okay. I don't know if I was in four-wheel drive or not. I put it in four-wheel drive. Maybe she didn't kick in. Okay, guys, we're all cleaned up enough so we can get back to going to work and going out and moving the vehicles around. So I'm not sure what happened to the truck. Put it in four-wheel drive, and as soon as I pulled out of here, I had a bunch of flashing lights on the dash. Four-wheel, high-low, four-wheel, like the high-low. Both of them were flashing. The ABS was on. The like traction control lights on. So I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, then I'm gonna go take it for a ride down the road. I'm not sure what happened. It was really weird. But I was spinning, so I put it in four-wheel drive, and a bunch of lights came on. So more to come with that one. I've actually an appointment this Saturday to get some fluids changed on the truck because it's like 50,000 miles. I do it every 50,000 miles, so I'm at 150,000, so it needs a bunch of stuff done. Transmission, you know, differentials, radiator, all that stuff. So I'll let you know. Hopefully it's all right. Hope I don't get stranded. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the subscriber. See you next one. Bye, guys.